Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get 50 times community chest Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all access a particular Monopoly Go app. So let's go ahead, open it up. Once you have accessed it, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So right now over here you can see we have our community chest. So if you would like to open it, it will ask for us to add friends. We have 4. We need to simply add one friend, which we're gonna go ahead invite by using any of the method given by Monopoly itself. And once we have added and accepted that particular person as a friend, we will be able to access this particular community chest for us. Once we are done with that, we will be able to open it, and now we will have 9 slots. So we basically will need 9 players, right? You're gonna invite your friends. Once you have 9 players, it will say, once you tap on the start option, which will be given, it will start playing, and whenever it lands on one of your friends, you will start getting closer to 50 one by one. So what you have to do is, every time whenever you access your Monopoly Go, tap on the community chest and start playing, and whenever it lands to anybody, it will simply start upgrading. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.